What do you call a baby owl playing in the water? And then you have to do a little, that's cool. Like, why can I not think of it? Puzzle. Yeah. Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our crew. Speaking of crew, we are going to be unboxing a new box. I'm so excited. It's called the Creature Crew. This is a subscription geared towards younger children, and it is so fun. I cannot wait to do this box with my boys. It is going to be such an adventure, and this is what it looks like. There's one and two boxes. So if you'd like to see what came in these boxes, then just keep on watching. Okay, first let's read up on this box. So it is the Creature Crew. It's $19.99 a month. That's not bad at all. It ships around the 15th of each month. You will have free shipping in the US. And it's a subscription for children 5 and older. So perfect for me and my family. It partners with organizations that help animals. So what they do is they feature an organization in their magazine every month just to put it out there, let you know it's there, and point you in the direction of where you can go and help that organization. I think that is so very cool of them to do that. There is science projects in here. There's crafts in here. There's kid-friendly recipes in here, and there's info pages in here. So let's pop in and see what there is. I kind of want to go for the bigger box first because I'm so curious to what could be in here. Boop. Okay, so first of all, right here on top, we have a binder. It says the Creature Crew on it. Isn't that stinking adorable? That's cute. Okay. Oh, I got stuff falling out everywhere. Come back. Oh, that's so cool. So your child will get an official crew member card. That's cute. And then it's just basically wood, like a very thin piece of wood. I like that. What else fell out of here? What the heck? I'm wearing... Oh, okay. I was going to say, I'm wearing a liquid lipstick, and I don't want to get it on here before the boys can try it out, but it's dry. It's a little bear whistle keychain. That's cute. Okay, so these I know will go in the binder, and I think that is super cool. So this is Deciduous Forest. Quick facts. And then there's more on the back. Deciduous Forest. Put that in the binder. I will love you forever. This is the tawny owl. Facts on there. That's cool. The Cubs. American black bear. I used to live in Montana. I was born and raised in Montana, and we were always looking on the lookout for bears all the time. Leaf identification. Oh, that'll be so fun to like go to a park and identify the different leaves around. What do you call a baby owl playing in the water? And then you have to do a little, that's cool. Like, why can I not think of it? Puzzle. Yeah. But Caring for Creatures, Serpentine Creek Wildlife Refuge, rescuing exotic cats nationwide. That's so cool. So here is one of the organizations helping animals. And again, that was Serpentine Creek Wildlife Refuge. And I will link their info down below for sure. And then there is an owl craft and animal toast. How stinking cute. Oh, wow. I'll have to hang this in the boys' room. It's the habitats of the world. I don't know how much you guys can see. There you go. Cool. I'll have to go hang that in their room. That'll be so much fun. Like, all right, you guys. We got our map, and we're going to go on an adventure. How stinking cute is that? Okay. My info card. Welcome, new crew member. What's the most fantastic animal you can think of? The strongest, fastest, cutest, oddest. Maybe you're like us and can't pick only one. Or maybe you want to learn about unique creatures you've never heard of. We like that thinking. That's why we started the Creature Crew and why we know you'll love exploring the animal world with us. Every month, you'll open your box to discover loads of information, activities, puzzles, snack ideas, and surprises so you get to know the world of creatures and their habitats. Did you know the macaroni penguin can travel 6,200 miles in the ocean for 6 to 7 months at a time? No, I did not. Parents, we trust you'll love the Creature Crew. With the Creature Crew, you'll invite fantastic wildlife from all over the globe to make themselves at home with your family. When your box arrives in the mail each month, you'll find pages filled with fantastic facts about 2 animals and where they live. One animal you probably know about, the other one might be new to you. Some boxes will focus on wonders of the animal kingdom, topics like scientists classify animals into groups and the unique ways animals defend themselves, like venom and electricity. Habitat tabbed pages. Organize your pages in a binder. If you have the 12-month subscription, you'll receive the Creature Crew's official binder to build your collection. Not only that, but we help you keep track of where animals belong by color coding. Yes. The habitat tab pages for the binder, animals such as the American black bear and gray wolf live in more than one habitat. We picked the main one to make it easy to organize. Map and animal stickers, kid-tested recipes and activity pages, a membership card so you can show your friends so they can join too. Hang on to this card because as the Creature Crew grows, it could earn you special savings. That's so cool. Caring for creatures. You can help creatures in need. Each month, we highlight one of our favorite organizations that helps animals, and then we give back to those places so they can keep doing their good work. Your membership means you are part of that work. That is so cool. Okay, so that was the first box. I still have a little of extras over here, but I wanted to see if there was more instructions in this other box or not. Come on. I swear there should be a compilation made from my YouTube videos of like me having great difficulty opening boxes. Okie dokie. Then in here we have all kinds of stuff. So here we have some paper, some pages. A page. That's thick paper. What's not? There's 2. So we have this one right here, which I believe you would fold in half, and then a blank sheet of paper. I'm sure we'll find out why. Frequent Flyer Award, the Arctic Tern. So here we have more pages on animals that we will be putting in our binder. The Bald Eagle. Love bald eagles. When I lived in Washington, we lived like right on a river, and I can't think of the river's name right now. But when we would go fishing for salmon in that river, we had 2 golden bald eagles that were always like flying right around that area. It was so cool. And then we have, what is an avis? And that will go in our binder as well. Yay! Then we have the Avis birds, the American bald eagle, and Arctic tern. There is a note from the crew. Eagle pom-pom. That would be fun. Specialized bird beaks. Tracking the Arctic tern. How strong are bird bones? And that is a little science project right there. Bald eagle cookies. Those look cute. Arctic tern hanging mobile. Oh, okay. So that is what the pages were, is to make a mobile. That'll be fun to hang in the boys' room. Caring for Creatures, American Eagle Foundation. So there is another of the organizations that they support. And I think that is so awesome of this company. Okay, cool. So we have a bird mobile to hang in the boys' room, a map to hang in the boys' room, a binder full of tons and tons of info cards so far. That's awesome. What? Day and night vision binoculars? You guys, one thing I just realized is, like, it just hit me. This is all just $20. This is literally, like, I could plan a whole entire day around this box for me and my children. That is amazing. So here is a little cleaning cloth for your binoculars. Wow. It has a string to put around your neck. Wow, that will be so much fun to take those to the park and hand it over to the boys and be like, all right, I need you guys to find one bird apiece. How fun! Oh, I can't wait. I'm getting excited about this. And then we have a little key ring here. And just to show you guys, these are the squigglies in there, and these are recyclable. So that's awesome. Oh, no way. That'll be so fun. So not only is this like just a day activity, this could be ongoing. So on this key ring, there is the North American Bird Field Guide, Black-Caped Chickadee, and you write the date and the location that you saw the bird. Okay, so we don't have northern cardinals where I live. It shows you down here where they would be. The American robin, we have robins here, so that'll be fun to find. The blue jay. I wonder. Red-tailed hawk. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. So it's just tons of birds. We have tons of blue herrings where I live. So that'll be fun to show them, hey, let's go find a blue herring. And then we'll write the date and the location of where we found it. That's fun. Okay, and then we have the pom-poms to make the American Eagle craft, along with the eyes and the beak. So that'll be fun. And then we have more little googly eyes here and a color for a beak. Safety tips. Use your empty box to protect your workspace. That's cool. Only use the tweezers provided to dissect your pellet. Don't use any pencils or pens. Use the gloves to protect your hands. Throw everything away when you finish. Disinfect the area where you dissected your pellet. Wash your hands thoroughly. What? So there's tweezers in here. There is a pair of latex gloves. I don't know. This is tinfoil and a ball. It's like a ball of fur. I mean, I'm sure my boys will totally dig it. You know, they're rough, tough boys that like gross things. So, yeah, that will be quite interesting to figure out what's in there. So, that is everything that came in this box. We're going to have to recap because this is a lot. This is a lot for $20. I'm blown away, to be quite honest. And this is literally going to be a whole entire day activity for me and the boys, and very educational. So we have the dissecting of the pellet thingamajig. We have the bear whistle. That's cute. The magazine that has all the instructions for your crafts and recipes. We have the American Eagle craft right here. There's 2 different ones. The bird watching cards. Like, there's a lot in there. Some stinking binoculars, okay, which could possibly be alone $20. We have the bird mobile craft. We have this craft idea. That's cool. And a recipe. More info cards and activities. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 info cards for our binder. And we have our map. So that's a ton of stuff for $20. I'm literally quite blown away by this. And honestly, I'm excited to do these activities with my children and to help them learn. And who doesn't love learning about the animals that live in our world? And they feature organizations that help animals as well. So I think that is super cool. Please let me know down below in the comments what you guys think about this subscription. I'm literally blown away. Super, super blown away. I cannot wait to do this with my children. Alrighty, you guys, like always, I love you guys so, so very much. That's all I have for you today. I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.